Micron just tried to break out and rally 4 separate times. And Micron just failed on a rally 4 separate times. And what's worse is that each attempted rally is coming in at a price lower than the last one. So if you're holding Micron stock right now like I am, you're probably watching every tick up and every tick down, and it feels like nothing's happening. But it's not nothing. The market is telling us something very specific about Micron stock. And almost nobody who covers Micron is listening to the market right now. Well, I see it, and by the end of this video, you will too. You're going to know exactly where Micron is and isn't heading in the next month. More importantly, I'm going to tell you exactly how to trade the story so that you can make money on Micron now rather than later. I'm Rob, former mergers and acquisitions attorney at a top 10 Manhattan law firm, former faculty member at a top 8 business school. 25 years trading these markets, and I'm not here to get you rich quick. I'm here to get you rich smart. So here's our roadmap for tonight. We're going to dig into Micron's price chart. This is the one that everybody's watching, but apparently nobody's seeing. Second, we're going to dig into Micron's volume, which Wall Street seems to have totally forgotten about. Then we're going to put all of this together, and we're going to get the numbers and the trades that you can actually use to make some money on Micron today. So let's get into it. Micron stock peaked at $1,255 a share on June 25th. Then it fell all the way down to $739 a share by July 29th. That's 38% gone in 5 weeks. But then Micron ripped back up, almost straight up into the 900s in under a week. But here's the part that nobody in the financial media is talking about. Since that bounce, Micron has tried to break higher 4 separate times. And every single attempt, Micron topped out lower than the last one. Look at it. August 5th, $929. Then August 6th, $913. Next, August 7th, $905. And today, as of the filming of this episode, around $895 was the peak. $929, $913, $905, and $895. That's not a wall of resistance. That's a staircase that's stepping down. And okay, I get it. Nobody wants to see a failed rally that ends lower than the last one. And that basically is a bearish trend. It creates a downtrend, isn't it? Well, not necessarily in Micron's case, and let me explain. While the street's been focused on Micron's price action, it completely forgot about and ignored Micron's volume during these failed rallies. When Micron bottomed at around $700 a share and then reversed on July 29th through the 31st, that move happened on 55 to 75 million shares a day. That's some serious volume for Micron. In fact, that's about double of Micron's usual average daily volume. And that indicates some real buying conviction. And that's a great sign for Micron bulls. It means that the whales believe the Micron story all the way up into the mid-850s. Now, let's look at the volume on each of the failed rallies. This tells us an entirely different story. During each of the 4 failed rallies, Micron volume was between 33 million and 36 million shares a day. That's not panic selling. That's actually Micron's normal average daily volume. And that's also very good for the Micron bulls, because weak volume on a failed rally means that the sellers lack conviction to push that price lower. So now let's put the 2 data points together. High volume off the Micron lows means lots of bulls coming in at the $700 level and driving that price up to the 850s. On the other hand, low volume on the failed rallies means a lack of sellers at this level. And that's great news for the bulls as well, because lots of sellers could push us right back down below 800. But the 4 failed rallies also means that we're running out of buyers at these levels. So that basically leaves Micron in no man's land. It's waiting for a fresh batch of buyers to come in and push that price way back up all the way past 925. The good news is that Micron's rallies, even though they failed, look more like a stock that's catching its breath rather than a stock that's getting dumped and left for dead. And that's great news for the bulls. Real quick, we're a small channel. No studio, no real team. Just me and my sons trying to help the little guy out in the market and understand what's happening to Micron. So if you're liking our Micron analysis, a like, a sub, and a share costs you nothing, and it means the world to us. All right, back to Micron, and let's talk a little bit about trading and making some money off of Micron. So Micron's ceiling looks like it's around the $895 to $905 level, and the floor looks like it's about the $843 level. Now, if you look at the 9-day moving average, it's at about $878 a share, which is right about where we're sitting right now today on Monday. This creates a perfect trading range for the setup that I'm about to give you. Over the next month, I expect to see a lot more chop in that $840 to $905 range for Micron, meaning that Micron's going to behave kind of like a caged animal would. wandering back and forth from one end of the cage to the other, but unable to break out of its cage. 840 on one end of the cage, 905 on the other end of the cage. So let's make some money on that info. Here's the trade. If you're not holding Micron right now and want to maybe buy in, or if you're thinking of adding to your Micron position, then sell some cash secured puts that expire every Friday, sell it at the $840 level. Collect the premium, let the options expire out of the money. Repeat this every week as long as Micron stays in its 840 to 905 cage, and you'll make some decent money. So that trade is for anyone looking to buy Micron. This trade is for those of us who are already holding Micron. I want you to write weekly covered calls with a Friday expiration again at that $920 level. Collect the premium and wait for the option to expire out of the money, and do it all over again as long as Micron's wandering back and forth in that range. Any close under $843 on 50 million shares or more is going to destroy this trading range. In other words, Micron just broke out of its cage and it's on the loose going down. Alternately, a close above $920 a share on 50 million shares of volume means that Micron has broken free and is about to rally. And if you have covered calls, those calls will likely get assigned, meaning your shares will get sold. But a close above that 920 level on 50 million shares or more, that means that Micron is likely going to test that $950 to $1,000 level, meaning we just found a buying opportunity in Micron. So if you get called away, you might want to buy back in and run it all the way up to $950 or even $1,000. That said, there's no Micron-specific catalyst until late September when Micron reports its earnings, so I expect that this range is going to hold for at least the next few weeks. If you love trading Micron, we've compiled an excellent playlist on Micron and SanDisk stocks. It covers earnings, fundamental analysis, customer contracts, and gives you the info that you're not going to get anywhere else. I'll drop a link in the description. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Now go out there and make some money trading Micron. Until next time, may all of your trades be profitable.